Hello everyone, this is Student Affairs. Simultaneous equation challenge, 100 questions will take care of that. We are still on number 21. Now we have a question on the board. Pay attention, don't be mesmerized when you see simultaneous equations like this with a sort of a complexity. Just pay attention. We will determine the value of x, we will determine the value of y, and we will also prove our process. Let's go. All right, we have x squared plus y squared equals 5. This is equation 1. Y equals 3x plus 1. This is equation 2. Are you following? All right, because we need space, so let's divide this board. The first thing we are going to do is to rewrite the question. We are going to be solving this question using substitution method. We use substitution method to solve. So, writing the question again, x squared plus y squared equals 5, right? Y equals 3x plus 1. All right. When you are solving with substitution method, what we need to do is to make any of the variables the subject of formula. All right. The simplest variable here is y, and y is already made the subject of formula according to the question. So we are going to be solving with this. So if y equals 3x plus 1, we will substitute y in equation 1 to get the value of what? X. All right. So what we now have is x what? Square plus what is y? Y is 3x plus 1 all squared, right, equals 5. All right. So the next thing is to what? Is to expand this y, 3x plus 1 all squared. So we now have plus 3x plus 1, bracket open again, 3x plus 1, right, equals 5. This is the same thing as this. So the next thing to do is to open up the bracket. We still have x squared plus 3x times 3x will give you what? 9x squared. Are you following? 3x times 1 will give you what? 3x. 1 times 3x will give you what? 3x. 1 times 1 will give you what? 1 equals 5. I hope there is no confusion. All right. X squared plus 9x squared is the same thing as what? 10x squared. So this has cancelled this. 3x plus 3x is the same thing as what? 6x plus 1, right? 5 crosses equality sign, it becomes what? Minus 5 equals 0. So we still have that 10x squared plus 6x. 1 minus 5 will give you what? Minus 4 equals 0. It is now 100% standard. Now we look for two numbers that when we add them, it will give us what? It will give us plus 6. So we consider numbers like 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, right? We also consider things like 10 minus 4. Yes, we are going to go with 10 minus 4. So what we now have here is 10x squared, right, plus 10x minus 4x minus 4 equals what? 0. All right. Plus 10x minus 4x is the same thing as what? Plus 6x. So let's factorize here. What is common here and here is what? 10x, right? Bracket. What is left here is what? X. What is common between this and this? 10x divided by 10x will give you what? 1. Bracket close. Bracket will open again. What is common among this is what? Minus 4. What is left is what? X. Minus 4 divided by 4 will give you what? 1. All equals 0. Therefore, 10x minus 4 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. Are you following? All right. 10x equals minus 4 crosses equality sign becomes what? 4. Or x equals plus 1 crosses equality sign becomes minus 1. This is the first value of x, right? All right. So now 10x equals 4 over 10. Here you also divide by 10. That's the coefficient of x. 10 cancel 10. 2 here. 2 here. 5. X equals 2 over 5. So these are the two values of x. X is either -1 or 2 over 5. Now we are going to substitute x in the both occasions, in this equation rather, to get the value of y. So going back to this equation where we have y equals 3x plus 1, we need to substitute x. When x is -1, what is the value of y? When x is 2 over 5, what is the value of y? We will determine. So we now have y equals, now we are going to solve when x is equal to -1. Y equals 3 bracket, what is x, -1 bracket close, right, plus 1. All right, y equals 3 times -1 will give you what, -3 plus 1 equals what, -2. Therefore when s equals, let's use here for example, let's write the answers here. When x equals -1, y equals -2. Take note of this. Now let us substitute when x is equals 2 over 5. Y equals 3, what is x, bracket 2 over what, 5 bracket close plus what, 1. Are you following? All right, so for us to open it, y equals 3 times 2 is what, 6 over 5 plus 1. This is the same thing as 1 over 1. Now for us to solve this, we find the LCM of 1 and 5 is what, 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 6 is what, 6, plus 5 divided by 1 is 5. 1 times 5 is what, 5. So what we now have is what, 11 over 5. Are you following? So when x equals 2 over 5, y equals 11 over 5. This is the solution. Are you following? At the end of the day, we have two values for x and two values for y. When x equals -1, y equals -2. When x equals 2 over 5, y equals 11 over 5. To verify if these answers are correct, you can go to this equation, any of them, to substitute any of these, you will get the answer. Okay, for example, we still have some space. Let's work on this. If you are going to this model equation where we have x squared plus y squared equals 5. Now, what is, let's solve using this. X is what? -1, right? We can use here, x is what? -1 square, right? Plus y is what? -2 square. Are you following? All right, minus times plus will give you minus. So -1 square will give you what? 1. -2 square will give you what? 4, which equals 5. So the process is correct. This is student affairs. Always pay attention when we are solving our mathematics. You will learn a lot. Follow for more.